Hi everyone, this is Canon Pixma TS5151 in front of me, and in this video I will show you how to connect this multifunctional printer via FiDirect and print and scan your documents using your smartphone or computer without connecting the printer to your home Wi-Fi network. Subscribe to Signal Guru and let's get into it. To get the printer ready to work, power it on, make sure you have LED light lit on the front panel, then put the front panel up until it gets fixed and pull the output tray towards you, unfold it, and make sure you have some paper in the front cassette or in the rear tray of your printer. Next, if the printer's display is off, press the home button once to lit up the screen, and now you need to go to Wi-Fi settings. So select the Wi-Fi icon using the navigation arrows, press OK. Then go to LAN settings, OK, and select Wi-Fi Direct. Once again, OK. First, you need to activate this feature to see more settings in this menu. So, OK, switch to on, OK. Now Wi-Fi Direct is activated and you warn that in the next screen you will see your password information. So select yes over here, press OK, and here's the information about your printer. This is the printer's network name. This is wireless direct device name, and use the down arrow to scroll down to password. So later you can print out this password, but I recommend you just write it down because along with password, printer prints 3 pages of unnecessary information in this case. So write down this password and press OK. Now in wireless direct settings you can see more menu items. So here you can change your device name, here you can change password. To change name or password, select the corresponding option and click OK. Now click OK once again and use on-screen keyboard to enter letters. You need to press OK to enter each letter. This bottom left button is for digits, and you can switch back to letters. This arrow is for shift to use capital letters, and this is backspace. Once you're done, press OK and your password will be changed. But if you want to cancel your new password, just press this round arrow button once again and go back. Also, you can go to wireless direct setting list, confirm it. Now you can see your SSID, I mean network name, password, and more details. To print all the details, just click on OK and printer will give you 3 sheets of information about your wireless direct connection. Now you can press home and continue on your smartphone or computer. You can connect your smartphone to the printer and start printing straight away, even without installation of any applications. To do this, you need to make your way to Wi-Fi settings. So on iPhone, let's open Control Center. On Android, swipe down from the top and tap and hold on Wi-Fi icon, just like this. Now select your printer's network and enter password you just wrote down. Tap on join. Now the smartphone is connected but without internet. Keep in mind that if you connect it directly to your printer, you can't browse internet via Wi-Fi, but you still can use mobile data in your smartphone. So let's print a document. You can close the Wi-Fi settings now. I have some documents in my files, so you need to find the document you wish to print. Let's say this one. Now tap on the share icon at the bottom. Tap on print and select your printer in this menu. Tap on printer. Your printer is found. It's TS5151, but you can see TS5100 series here, and this is exactly your printer connected to your smartphone. So select the printer and adjust your settings. On iPhone they have some printing presets, black and white, color, and so on. Select number of copies using plus and minus buttons. Select color or black and white. select double-sided print. If you need, set the paper size. Now let's go to media quality. You can select which tray to use, main tray or rear tray, or detect automatically depending on the paper size and type. So select media type over here, select print quality, normal, best or draft, go back and just tap on print and wait for printer to do its job. But the best practice to use this printer with your devices is via Canon Print application. So let's close this window and switch back to our Wi-Fi network connected to the internet. So go back to Wi-Fi, select your home network, wait for connection. Now open App Store or Google Play Store and search for Canon Print. And just install this application. I have it already installed, so let's open the app. Scroll down and check all to agree to the terms and conditions, or decline optional agreements over here, so you can read it later. Tap on OK. Allow this permission to find devices on local networks, otherwise you will not be able to connect your printer. Tap on Allow. Now let's connect back to the printer's network. So once again, go to Wi-Fi, find your printer. You don't have to enter password for the second time. It's connected. And now switch to Add/Switch tab in the application and tap on Register Printer. And once your printer is found, Canon TS5151 series, tap on that. It's acquiring printer information. And this window you can close or choose your favorite photo and try it out. So let's close this window and decline notifications so far, or you can accept notifications. Allow to use location. This is necessary permission to use the application properly. And now you are on the home page of Canon Print application. You can explore for functions, switch to Functions tab, see what the app can do, add new printer. In this menu, tap here to go to settings and adjust the application to your preferences. But let's go back to home and print document from the application. Tap on document print, go to documents. It automatically scans for all documents you have in all folders on your device. So let's select a document we wish to print, check the document, tap on next. This window you can ignore, tap no over here, otherwise it opens user manual online. You don't need user manual because you have this video. So this is your print settings, same as in system settings. You can change them. Number of copies, print range. So if you have large document, you can select which pages you want to print. Also, you can check this checkbox to use the printer's paper settings, because each time you load paper to this printer, it asks you about the printer, about the paper size and paper type. So if you wish to use printer settings, just check this checkbox and you can go back and print. But if you wish to manually adjust your paper, so select paper size, select same as original size. If you're, let's say if you use B5, this feature means if you try to print, let's say, A5 document on A4 paper, it will use the original size. If you turn this feature off, it will try to enlarge the document to fit to the paper size. Now select media type, color mode, black and white or color, and two-sided print if you need so. Now let's go back. Then tap on this print button over here and let printer to do its job. It's done and it's good enough, and let's continue to scan. To scan document, first you need to place it correctly in the scanning unit. So how to place? Here you can see the arrow pointing to the corner of the scanning surface. So you need to place your document facing down and align the top left corner to this arrow. So align it to the scanning surface edges. Now close the lid. Now in the Canon print application, tap on Scan. Make sure you are on the Home tab, tap on Scan and go to Scan Settings. So select Original, type what is it, this document or photo. Select Color or Black and White mode, I mean grayscale, and select the paper size. In my case this is A4, so I don't need to change anything. Now go back and tap on the Scan button. Once you've got the scan results, you have two options. You can add multiple pages to your document. To do this, replace the first page with the second page. So remove this one, put a new one over there, align it as I've shown you, and tap on Scan once again. Or you can tap on Exit to save your scanning result. This is your preview. Now tap on the share icon, select your format, JPEG for images and PDF is normal for documents. So let's use PDF. And now you can save it to files, make a copy, markup, print straight away, make new quick note using these PDF add tags. Let's save to files. So select your file location, let it be documents. Here you can rename your file and tap on Save at the top right. Now the file is saved. You can close this window. Delete the scan result, please confirm. This deletes the scan result only from the application's memory, not from your phone. So you can confidently tap on OK over here and you're all set. Everything gets a bit more complicated when it comes to computers, especially to Windows computers, because to use the printer with your PC or laptop, you need to install drivers. So let me guide you through the steps how to do it. First, you need to open your Microsoft Store and install Canon Print application. Once installed, open the app and check all to agree to the terms and conditions. Click OK. In this window, just click Next and click on Set Up Now. Now something is going under hood, so just wait for downloading. In this step, click Yes in this window. Now allow to access precise location and location history. This is necessary as on smartphone. Click Yes. Now check if the printer is powered on. If yes, click Next. If no, power on your printer and click Next once again. Now it's detecting printer. Now once you see the window Start Printer Connection, select the connection type, Wi-Fi, wired. If you have Ethernet cable, you can connect your printer directly with your router or modem or via USB cable. It works always and it works easily, so I won't go through this option. Wi-Fi connection is the hardest option, so I will walk you through this process. So select Wi-Fi connection and click Next. As you don't have this button on your printer, select No and click Next once again. Now in this window you can straight away click on Manual because it won't find your printer. I tried several times and failed. So click on Manual. It takes you to Canon's website. On this website, don't stay on this page, go to the Setup tab instead and enter your printer's model number. It's TS5151. Click on that and click Go and wait for download. Oh, sorry, you have to click the download button first. Download. Wait for downloading. And once it's downloaded, you can click on this file right here, or later you can find it in your downloads folder. So open your file explorer, go to downloads, select the installer, double click to launch, click yes here. Now you can minimize your explorer and browser, and you see this window, start setup. Click on start setup, click on next. Now everything is downloaded and you have to accept end user license agreement. So click yes, next click agree. Now in this window, before you continue with Wi-Fi connection, you need to make some settings on your printer. So on your printer, select the Wi-Fi icon on the display. Press OK, answer yes to this question, select LAN settings, OK, wireless LAN, OK, wireless LAN setup, OK, and select Easy Wireless Connect. Now press OK. Settings will be made on a computer or smartphone, etc. Select yes, press OK, and now go back to your computer and click next. Now check the power, everything's checked. Now it's detecting our printer. Now it says could not find any printers. That's not a problem for us, we will find it anyway. Click on next in this window. It takes you to the website, but you can minimize your browser straight away and go back to the installer. And printer is already found, as you can see. So click on yes. And now connection is completed. So don't be distracted by the previous window. If your printer cannot be found, just proceed and it will find it anyway in the most cases. If you fail to connect on this step, try to reset your printer's LAN settings in the printer's menu and try to reconnect from scratch. But anyway, now let's click next because we succeeded, and it's installing drivers and all utilities to use the printer with your computer. This window you can ignore. Print head alignment recommended. If you see this window, just click next. You can do it later. You can perform a test print if you wish so, but let's just click on next to proceed to the application. Setup complete. Click next. Now you can set up optional software like user manual, my image garden. This is image manager by Canon. Some quick menu, easy web print, but let's skip everything just for now and click next. You can print from a smartphone or tablet, already done. We already know how to do it. So click on next. Skip the printer registration if you don't want to register so far. And exit the installer. It takes you back to the Canon's website, but you can just minimize your browser and reopen the application. So let's go back. Let's close this window. It reopens automatically. Failed to set up printer. Don't believe this because we already all set. Just click next. As you can see, the app interface is pretty the same as on mobile devices, so you can start printing your documents, print photos, make scans, explore for more features. Click on this 9 dots menu, explore this left panel. To connect your printer to computer directly, click on Wi-Fi icon, click on this arrow next to Wi-Fi, find your printer, and click on connect. First time you will need to enter passwords, printer's password, but in future just click on connect and your computer will be connected to the printer. Keep in mind that when you connect it to the printer directly, you can't browse the internet because there is impossible to be connected to two different Wi-Fi networks at the same time. It's much more simpler on Mac computers. You just need to install the application and your printer will be automatically found. And that's exactly how do you connect your Canon Pixma TS5151 to your devices via Wi-Fi Direct. If this video was helpful, consider to subscribe to our channel, support us by hitting the like button, and guys, have a nice day and be awesome.